Hello everyone. These days we have seen many people are showing interest in cycling. They want to cycle, they want to do some track, and they want to keep their body fit. So today we are with one of the cyclists of Laos, and today we will take her small interview, why she cycles and what inspires her, what motivates her every time to do cycling. So we have Miss Kai with us. Hello, Sabaidi, welcome.
Somebody.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I would like to ask you, from how long you are cycling and what inspired you to do cycling?
I start cycling is not long time yet.
Okay.
About 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah. The thing inspire me is about I think of happy and healthy.
Oh, wow.
And I like sport.
Okay.
Many sport I try
Okay.
like jogging, weight training,
Okay.
many other. But I like the most is
Cycling.
cycling. Yeah.
Yes. So what inspired you? What was that one thing which was not there in jogging but you find in cycling?
Because one day I have a friend asked me to join them, then when I start going with them, then make me enjoyable. I like it.
And you felt that this is the thing which
I think this is my passion.
Yeah.
That's why I keep going,
Wow.
continue practicing, and I even got the champion prize.
Champion prize. Wow.
In first year I start
Wow.
because I forgot. yeah.
So, as she said very nicely, whatever you focus on and you get, you be winner in that field. Yes. So, in a week, how much you cycle? Like, do you have some specific time you cycle every day, or you specifically have time for cycling? How you go?
Yeah, the specific time is mostly at the weekend.
At the weekends.
Yeah, sometimes at the gym I will train my leg at the gym.
Yes.
To make my leg stronger.
So in the weekdays you prepare yourself, and then on the weekends then you go for cycling.
Race. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Wow.
sometimes.
So you do racing also, or you take part in competition also, or just you just
Sometimes race.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes just.
And how much part you have covered in cycling? How much you have covered? Like how many kilometers? Or how much in one go? How many kilometers you drive? Something like that.
For the race, last time when I got the champion is about 95 kilometers.
95 kilometers
Yes.
in one stretch.
Yeah.
Wow.
But for touring is about 160.
Oh,
for touring.
okay.
Yeah.
So when you just go like this, so then around 160 kilometers you
yes.
drive.
Yes.
In one time, in one
Yes.
go.
Yes.
And what generally you keep your speed? How much speed do you keep?
Speed about 35.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So good to have such great heroes who want to maintain their body and who want to keep them healthy and motivated and inspired by some or the other sports. So whoever is watching our video, I tell you, you also start something. Yes? And if you can start with cycling, that is the best thing. Can anyone do cycling?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any specific type of cycle they need, or some specifications which you would like to guide our people?
I would.
Or they can start with normal cycling, and then when they upgrade, then they go to some higher version.
Yes, just normal, just touring, exercise, and then if that is your passion, it will come up.
Wow. Yeah.
And then you make you train harder and harder.
Very nicely, Miss Kai said that if it is your passion, it will come up from inside only. Yes.
Yeah.
So people, don't be seated in your home. Come on, take your bicycles and then go out and explore the nature. Also, I would like to ask you, you practice the breathing exercise.
Yes, every morning.
Every morning, Sudarshan Kriya, Pranayama,
Yes,
you practice.
yes.
So how it impacted your, especially cycling and doing sports and physical activities?
I would say that the breathing exercise, which I have learned from Art of Living, it's helped me a lot,
Wow.
especially with my sport and also singing.
Yes.
It helped me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So very nice, and
Yes.
from whole Heart of Living family, in Laos and in all the world, we wish you all the very best. You achieve great heights
Yes,
in
yes.
your cycling, and you inspire more and more people to cycle. And how many people go with you for the cycling?
Our group more than 20.
More than 20.
But if we join with another group, it will be big. We go together.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So I know everything starts from one only.
Yeah.
So you have to inspire yourself, and then you will definitely find somebody
Yes.
to get inspired every day, every week, and then you feel very happy about it. Yes.
At first, only me, and then my friend saw I
Yeah.
stand on the podium.
Yeah.
Then my friend like using
Yes.
Miss Ian.
Yeah,
and then
yeah. Yes.
they will come and I correct them. Okay, go join together. Yes, and then we become big group.
Wow.
Yeah.
So nice to hear. We will keep calling you for our sessions and keep motivating people, keep inspiring people.
Sure.
And then in the next session, we'll ask something new from you. Yes.
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much
Thank
for being
you.
there. Yeah,
Thank you,
so much.
Ajahn.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we wish you all the very best.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.